everyone, tgmtechteam is here. Today I will be unboxing the GoPro Hero 7, and I bought this from the GoPro website, so it also came with a 32GB SD card, and I will be unboxing it so you guys can see what comes inside. So I already opened it here because I was impatient, but it doesn't matter. So if we open it, here is a little paper just to protect it. Some GoPro stickers or magnets. Feels like some of them are like magnets. Let's have a look. It's always good to have some magnets or GoPro stickers. So I heard a lot of good things about the GoPro Hero 7. The new stabilization feature, GoPro is really excited about to announce. So they seem like old stickers, so they're not magnets. So we've got two different type of stickers of each. So two small, two medium, and two big large ones. Not sure where I'll put some of these stickers, but it'll come in definitely handy. So we got the goodie, the free 32GB SD card in here. So that's nice of them to include it. And as you can see, the GoPro Hero 7. The last GoPro I had was a GoPro Hero 3 Silver. If you really want, you can have a look at some of my older videos, you'll see it there. So it comes inside a wrapper, which will open here. Sorry if there's a little bit of background noise, I was just very impatient because it came today and I really wanted to see the features and everything, so I really just want to open it up. But I wanted to show you guys what comes inside. So there you go. Typical GoPro box, glass up the top so you can see the GoPro. They have a little logo which is pretty new, gimbal-like hyper smooth stabilization. GoPro Hero 7, 12 megapixel camera, 4K at 60 frames, and can go up to 10 meters underwater without any particular case. On the side, same thing, the same talking feature, 8x slow motion, HDR and pictures, GPS, hyper smooth, that's one that we need to try out. And of course it works with the GoPro app, and that's what comes inside. It's a nice little one. So underneath the box you have the strap that you just... Oh no, I ruined it. Oh well. So it comes out like that from underneath, and I believe I haven't done this in a while. So that's how it is, just like that. So you can always put it in and it can always stand out. So it looks pretty cool at the moment. Nice and fresh. And let's push it out from the case. And as you can see on the side it says the black GoPro Hero 7. The little door. How do you open this? That looks silly. What? I can't open it. Well, there's no battery. Most likely be in there. So you got the power on button here, the normal photo and video. So it's quite small, as always, the GoPros. I'm not sure if it's a little smaller than the other ones, but I think they're about the same size. I can't... you have to push it down. So you've got the charging USB Type-C. Try to focus it there. USB Type-C and HDMI for better audio. But GoPro say that it is good audio now, still. Well, better audio than others. Again, if you can hear any background noise, I'm sorry. So this doesn't come off, but this, you undo that, and clip it out, and it slides out just like that. And then you open the box. And oh, nothing. Nah, you got a USB Type-C to USB Type-A charger, the GoPro Hero battery. Not sure how long this lasts, how many hours. My GoPro Hero 3 Silver didn't last that long, so hopefully this will last longer. And the same mounts as you always get, the curved one and the flat one. And that's literally all you get. So, yeah, you got a touchscreen at the back. You got the clear cover, I'll take it off a little later. And yeah, I guess I'll need to try this for a little bit and then I'll be able to do my full review. But I'm really excited to try all the features, especially the hyper smooth gimbal-like stabilization. That's pretty much all for this unboxing. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any feedback for me, please leave it in the comments below and I'll try to reply to you. And also don't forget to subscribe, as there's a whole lot more videos to come in the next coming weeks. And I'll catch you all in the next video. Bye!